Hi everyone, welcome to the first session of UpSkill series. This series is designed to help with the training of all the users and with all levels of experience. We'll cover all the main functionalities of Joined App as well as these you might have never heard of before. You should also look out for some tips and tricks we reveal during these sessions. Each episode will focus on a different section of Joined App, some of which are tailored to a specific type of users. Sessions will vary in length, but we'll try to keep them between 20 and 40 minutes. We will let you know what is the next session about and how long it will take in invites which will be sent on Mondays before the training. This one will be quite short as it's just an introduction, so let's get started. Well, what is Joined App? Most of you probably knows that already, but just in case we have some new users or maybe someone have never had a chance to find out, Joined App is an online platform designed specifically to support and the supply and management of high volume temporary labor, such as the supply of pickers into a warehouse, HGV drivers into a transfer hub, or a mail sorter into a mail center. The system is used by thousands of people every day. And there are four main groups of users in Joined App. The recruiters who source, schedule, supply, and pay the workers. The end clients who manage the workers on site, track spend, and pay the agencies. The temp workers who do the work and monitor the hours and pay. And growing number of partner agencies who supply workers to the clients via lead agency. Thousands of people, all of you, would be using Joined App on a daily basis, probably 5 or more days a week, performing many tasks simultaneously without even realizing that. Like a big engine, Joined App will fetch the data, checking workers' compliance, employment status, length of service, age, linked jobs, availability, at the same time checking for existing rates, time, distance, etc. So you can simply just click 2-3 buttons to book correct worker with correct qualifications and pay the correct amount, as well as charge, of course. The purpose of the platform is to get technology to do all of the things that it does best, thereby giving the recruiters more time to recruit, the clients more time to manage productivity, and the workers clarity and control of the work and pay. All of your day-to-day processes on Joined App can be visualized by this very simple diagram. And these are the main processes. Shifts. The requirement can be added by an agency, but it can also be added by the end client. So if you do think that your site, your organization would benefit from having the client add the requirement directly to Joined App, get in touch with your account manager or our support team, and we'll tell you how to do it. The next process is planning. So planning would be when the agency allocates workers. And here, of course, the lead agency may allocate the regular workers or share the bookings with the partner suppliers as well. When the shifts are planned, everyone comes to work. We need to add the hours worked. So this is our time and attendance. That is usually done by clients. And again, if you're a client and don't do it at the moment, but would like to, let us know. It can also be done by the agency, but it can be done by workers. So imagine your workers adding at all times. I know some of you would think it may be a bit dangerous, but it actually works very well. So if you wanted to have a try, again, let us know. We are also working on some facial recognition tools, so look out for that as well. The next bit is to, of course, calculate all the information that have been added, all the start times, stop times, and rates. So that's what's done in the background for you. So you don't have to worry about it. What you need to do at the end is just, as an agency, submit the shifts. Just saying you're happy with all the times that have been added or any adjustments. After that, it goes back to the client where the client approves the shifts. Again, adjustments might have been added somewhere along the way. So it's very important to make sure it's all correct. So that's why we have more than one step for approving. When the shifts are approved, the last bit is for the agency to lock the site. And when you log the site, you may get some reports sent directly to your payroll team, which is of course available, or you can just go to financial reports or check your custom reports and download data from there if needed. Within these main tasks are hiding more detailed processes. Most are semi or fully automated. We'll be discussing all of these processes, how do they work, how to set them up, etc. in the future sessions. We'll be recording UpSkill videos and we'll make them available to you on our YouTube channel. UpSkill will be broadcasted on every second Thursday of a month, but we'll be also releasing some bonus videos now and then. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you next month.